So the environment I work in is, as you can see, it's operations, and I love it because it's a people's business.
We always have new challenges coming up, and so every day I have the chance to grow and to learn something new.
So we start from really, I would call it small items to really huge items, but also our product portfolio, for example, is temperature sensitive goods. We have got dangerous goods. So they all have special requirements. And Hilti, I think, is always trying to innovate. You can see this at our products we have, but the same we do for our processes.
I am tooling engineering specialist. My favorite part of my work is the design. So I have the chance to go to the machine and check technical calculation and begin the process.
We own our entire supply chain, so we really have a direct impact from the source, from production until the final customer.
We have this opportunity working as business partners with the customer, not only through the sales process, but also after the sales with the repair, with the life cycle of the tools.
This is how we collaborate. We are doing the site visit to understand what the customer needs at the site in order to avoid or prevent the damaging of the tool.
The most exciting part of my role is that I can interact with so many different people.
Our team members across the different regions and across different organizations actually feel that they're part of a community. So it's regular interactions, sharing experiences, sharing what's going well, what's not going well.
You're constantly collaborating with other departments, so you get to learn about the functioning of those departments as well and see how each of these departments come together to create value at the end of the day.
I think Hilti has some really great people management structures in place that helped me start off as a brand new manager and now to the point where I have 5-6 years of management under my belt.
Learning through Hilti is that you never know everything, like you're continuously evolving, you're continuously learning, and having that open mind is very important.
I would describe Hilti with 3 words: people, fun, and energy.
Fast-paced, exciting, and always something new.